next thing we want to create a drawing of is the handle that goes on top of the box. So here's the handle, what we want it to look like, and the dimensions that we want to include. So to do that, we're going to go back in here again, open up a new drawing. We're going to select ANSYS or ANSI millimeter IDW. So we're going to open that up. We're again going to change our sheet from a size C to a size A. Much more realistic with the size of part that we have. Okay, and now I want to insert a base view. So my base view, I'm going to go search for it. I want my box handle. So there's my box handle. Now, what you'll notice is that that looks really small on there, doesn't it? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to scale it up. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to select a 2:1. Okay, that looks better. Let's select a 3:1. Let's select a 4:1. See what that 4:1 is looking really good. That's going to fill up the space and give us nice, good resolution. Okay, so I'm going to place top view here. I'm going to place a side view. I'm going to place a bottom view, and I'm going to place an isometric view right here. And then I'm going to right click and create. Okay, so afterwards you can take these and move them around in case it forced you off the page. So here we go. We've got everything placed on here, and we've got a couple things now to dimension. Okay, so the couple things we want to dimension here is first, looks like, well, first we want to annotate and add center marks. So we're going to add center marks on each of these round surfaces there and there to give us things to dimension off of. First thing we want to dimension is the distance between the centers of each of these, and we get that at 20 millimeters. We'll click OK. We do want the dimension of the full, so I'm going to go into hole and thread. Actually, I'm going to stay in dimension, and I want the radius of the bar that is arced in a half circle. I'm going to select that. It's going to come out here like that, and it's going to tell us that it's a 3.5 millimeter diameter bar. We go to the beginning, and I'm going to type 2x, okay, to show that both those surfaces are 3.5. It's a uniform 3.5 millimeter diameter bar. Okay. I also want to dimension, okay, the holes, the threaded holes that we have on there. So to do that, I'm going to go to my hole and thread, and in here I'm going to select that, and notice what it does. It grabs the information. It's an M2 by 0.4 at a depth of 2 millimeters. So it gives us that information that we want. Okay, and the last thing that you'll notice is that the hole that we drill that's going to be threaded is a little bit deeper than the actual thread. So to do that, I'm going to go back to dimension, and I'm going to dimension the distance from that surface to the bottom of the hole, and we'll find that it's 3 millimeters deep, but I'm going to go 2x because we have 2 of those. Okay, so the hole that we want threaded, notice that we want it to be drilled 3 millimeters deep, but we only want 2 millimeters of it to be threaded. It gives that little extra relief on that bottom side. Okay, it gives that relief on that bottom side. And this, I believe, is all the dimensions that I have on that drawing that I wanted you to complete. So there is the handle dimensioned, and we can go in here to the eye properties and add that information we want. Title, this is box handle. And company, Salem Academy. And we'll click OK. And now our drawing is complete.